Hi, I am Vignesh. My register number is 214. This is my fifth experiment packages. Here I am giving a package is exercise 5 and import Java pack to freshers. Here I am using freshers and experienced here 2-1. First here I am using freshers here. Import java.util.scanner is users gives the input. Here I use the class is experienced. So experience I am giving two string here. One is string name and string id. One is the name and the id of the person and the int age, the person's age, and public int num equal to 0, experience z equal to new experience into 100, and this is getter and setter. So I am using public void get data, and users gives the input as scanner s equal to new scanner system.in. This is the input, and in output system.out.println it will ask the enter the number of experienced users. So num equal to s dot next int. Here I am using for loop int I equal to 0, I less than num I plus plus, and in the first it will ask the new experienced, and it will ask the enter the name and enter the age and enter the id. So you can use the enter the name from the person, and you enter the age of the person and enter the id of the person to show the difference of the two persons. And using void display, so system now done the name is it will be shown after the enter the name. If you enter the name, it will show in the output enter the name is, and it will show e of I dot a name, and the age will be shown as e of I dot age, and the id will be shown as e of I dot ed. And in the freshers package pack 2 and import experienced, and same class here using freshers, and same string name and id and int is age. Here I am using freshers f equal to new freshers of 100. There I am using experienced. Here I am using a freshers, and it is a getter. So public void get data have been used here. Scanner s equal to new scanner system.in, and it is the input, and it is showing same enter the number of experienced users for the second person. And here also int I equal to 0, I less than num and I plus plus. The f of I equal to new freshers. It will show the enter the name. You can enter the name in this order. F of I dot name equal to s dot next line, and enter the age and enter the id of the persons, and it will display that if you enter the name, age and id, it will shown as f of I dot name, and age if you entered f of I dot age, and id will be entered as f of I dot id. In that test using these two, if we import this 5 and import pack 2, I am using here classes test and public static void main string arguments. So experience z equal to new experience and freshers f equal to new freshers. This has been used 2 here for the packages, 2 packages. So I am using while true, and it is input users given, and the output enter the choice. It will ask 2 choices, one is experienced person and one is freshers, and int a equal to s dot next int. Here switch a. In the case 1, it will show the experienced person. If you enter the 1, it will show the experienced person of this get data and display, or otherwise it will show freshers. If you enter 2, it will show the freshers get data and display. Now we'll see that output. Here it is asking enter your choice is one is experienced person and second one is freshers. I am giving here 2 freshers will be come here, and it is given a freshers. Enter the number of experienced users is 2 I am giving, and name is Vignesh, and age is 23 I am giving enter here, and the id is 214. And one more time it is asking one more id name, so I am giving here Sam, and it is asking the age is I am entering 25, and the id is 34, and it will show, and one more time it will ask. Thank you.